Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and we are going to do a video grouping on better than average. So let's just jump into it. So we're going to build upon what we've already done. We're going to build some list comprehensions, and we're going to use the random library, and we're going to import only what we need. So if you haven't seen how to import with from or just import, pause this, go search that, come back and watch this. So from random import rand int. So alright, what we're going to do is we're going to test better than average. So we're going to create a function that's going to create a class average group of grades and then your grades, and then we're going to run it through our test. So alright, we're going to do class grades equals your grades list. We're going to put these in lists. So alright, we're going to do list comprehension on randint. So alright, real quick reminder what randint does. So let's just run this so we don't have to do anything. Okay, help randint. So okay, random returns, so it's going to create it for us. And here's an important thing, both endpoints. So we can, oops, sorry about that. So we can get both endpoints here. Alright, so let's do our for loop. We just didn't want 10 grades, okay? For I in range 10. Close that out. And don't forget, list comprehension goes in front of. So what do we want to do? We want to take I and we want to create rand int. Let's just go 60 through 100. Boom. And we're just going to cheat. And we're just going to copy this and paste it. So okay. That is done there. So now we need to think about what our function is going to do. And let's just test to make sure that we did this. And also guys, just to make sure you are aware, we are doing a video a day, so make sure you're subscribing. Okay, cool. Alright, so we did this right. So actually, why don't we stop here? And I think we had a lot of success last time chopping this up so you don't have to go through. So we're going to pick up from here on next video. So now that we have our random grades created, so now let's comment this out because this isn't important. So alright, let's get started on our function. Alright, better than average. And we're going to take in class grades, your grades, close this up. Alright, if. Now, one important thing, average. Let's just think about this for a second. Sum class grades divided by len class grades. Alright, some understandable. Take an item, take a container. I use that word because we'll look at it in just a second. Take the container, add up all the items in it. Sum. Len. If you don't remember len, let's look at len. You can always use your help function. If you're not sure, I use the word container because boom. Len returns the number of items. So average. Remember what average is? Add up all the items, divide by the number of items. Boom. Average. So, all right. If, and you can do this and have this, you could go and create other variables and have your average for class, average for grades. If you choose to do that, you can. But if you can just see this in your head, actually, let's go ahead and do this. C average equals sum class grades divided by len class grades, your average equals sum. Get that out of the way. Yep. Your grades. So, okay. If, and we're testing if you're better than average. So if y average greater than c average, return true, else return false. Cannot type today, my goodness. Okay, so that is that, and let's check this. So better than average, and then we're gonna put in here C grades and Y grades, and then I need one more parentheses, and boom. So okay, returns false, and then we can literally run this over and over and over again because these are randomly generated, and you could have them spit out if you wanted to undo this and just run this over and over and over again. So we have our average, we're taking in our information, we're randomly creating class grades and year grades, and we're having these print out. So let's see, we trust that we're doing that, so let's comment that out. Why don't we come down here and print C average, why don't we print them together, and your average. So you're going to be last. So we're going to have these print. But now I want you to think about something. There was a video that I did, I think Python tricks or something like that, where I took is even and I boiled this down to one line. So let's do that here. So if this is true, why don't we just put this on one line? So alright, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to leave this here, and we're going to move this down so you can see what I'm doing. Alright, let's comment this out. So return. So in that other video, if you haven't seen it, booleans. So let's see. Because look, this is all Python cares about. 6 greater than 7. It's false. 7 greater than 6. True. So if I just give it a statement, it's just going to return it. So watch this. We're going to get rid of these if and else. I'm just going to have it return the boolean. So your average, because we're wanting to know if we're better than average, greater than class average. So we just put this on one return line. This other stuff here is kind of for us. We literally could have put all this junk right here, but that can be a little hard to read. So let's just run this, see what we get. Boom. So I'm printing out the averages. The second one's me. Comes out true. So we just did this without even an else and an if. So boom, there's my Boolean statement. If it's true, it's just going to return it. If it's false, it's going to return it. So that's the way I want you guys to start thinking about this stuff, that we don't necessarily always need an if and an else. So thanks for watching. Hope you guys are getting something out of that. Please click that like button, and most important, the notification bell with the subscribe button, because we got videos coming, and I want you guys, if you guys want to know how to program, I want to help you. If I can do it, anybody can. I swear, I swear, I swear, I swear. So thanks for hanging in there with me, and we'll get this all wrapped up and get this posted. Appreciate it, guys. See you next time.